you're gonna start working on this?
Yeah.
Sick.
There it is. Cool. That needs a little cleaning.
1, 2. Yeah. All right, you're good.
Yeah.
You'll lose a little gas there. So, when do we want to move this in the garage to start working?
I guess we could move it in now.
Now
honestly.
that the fuel's out. Anything you want to tackle first? I could start going for the horn. Takes out the whole bike.
So basically right now, we're trying to get the airbox disconnected, but then we have to take the valve cover off.
Yeah. Valve cover and head.
Remove this bolt. I don't know how detailed we're trying to be right now. I don't think what we're doing is going to be able to be followed along to the T necessarily, but I can give you an idea.
An idea. Or yeah, you got one too. Put it here.
Ooh. I know how to wrench. I wrench stuff. I should loosen it. Please don't break the motorcycle. Please don't break the motorcycle. Please don't break the motorcycle.
Is that tightening? No, yeah, you're right. Sorry, my brain is like, I'm so bad at directions.
I bought a magnet just for this.
Oh. Underrated. Length won't be an issue.
Sorry, Tiff.
This exhaust bolt nut actually was loose.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, both of them loose.
Awesome.
So that's interesting.
That could have
Actually, like it wasn't even tight at all. Like the flange here wasn't even tight.
good. That's how it's supposed to be.
Factory, brother.
Someone definitely custom installed this in their own.
Jesus Christ. Pizza's coming back, bro. All right, there. Here, I happen to have the correct.
No, I'll get him myself. Oh. He's doing.
I'll never do it.
Oh man.
I'm gonna pull the valve cover, bro.
This is the
Terrible.
exhaust a lot of people like or want. I don't know why that had anything to do with what we were just talking about.
Why that got me, dude. Bro had to gas himself up real quick.